1830. Now, they realized that there's too much water coming from the Niagara River, not enough getting to the bottom of these locks. What they're going to end up having to do is construct bypasses. Now, the state doesn't want to have to pay for these bypasses, so they're going to auction off the water rights in order for others to buy these bypasses. Now, by the late 1830s, a paper mill is going to construct the first bypass on this side of the canal. Now, that bypass is currently being used by Niagara Mohawk Power Authority, who utilized it to make electricity for the grid. Now, the other bypass wouldn't be built until 1856, and that was by a man named Birdseye Holly. Now, Birdseye Holly was a renowned patent maker, making up to 130 different patents. Now, he wants to put a factory here in Lockport, and when he sees he can buy the water rights for this bypass, he's going to do just that and starts construction by 1857 on the hydraulic raceway, which will be on this side of the canal here. Now, the hydraulic raceway was the name given to that tunnel system. It would have the company name of the Hydraulic Race Company, whose job it was to build, maintain, and expand out that cave system. And where that's going to begin is just where we see these stone arches here. Now, that's where the water would originally go in, as those would be open and water would be going into there. It would then flow 800 feet down to his factory at the bottom of the hill. Now, if we look next to it, we can still see the company name, Hydraulic Race Company. And later on, when we are on the boat section of our tour, we will be 20 feet underneath of that sign. Now, as we get ready to make our way down the hill, I do want to make a note that when we are on that pathway, for right now, we want to stay to the right-hand side. That's because on the left-hand side, we want to allow enough room for pedestrians and bicyclists to get past us. As the bicyclists like to use this hill as a speed hill, we do not want to be the reason they stop fast. So we want to make sure we stay off to the side, to the right-hand side, as we make our way down the hill. So you can follow me. We're going to make our way back towards that black bridge.